Okay, the next topic we are going to see is characteristics of covalent compounds. In this video, we are going to see about characteristics of covalent compounds. As said earlier, the properties of compounds depend on the nature of bonding between their constituent atoms. So, the compounds containing covalent bond possess different characteristics when compared to ionic compounds. When we compare it to ionic compounds, covalent compound is having some different characteristics. So, the compounds that are containing covalent bonds are possessing the different characteristics. Now, let us see what are the characteristics. First one is physical state. Physical state, depending on force of attraction between covalent molecule, the bond may be weaker or stronger. Thus, covalent bonds exist in gaseous, liquid and solid form. Example, oxygen gas, water liquid and diamond solid. But ionic compounds are crystalline at room temperature. It is a stronger bond, but in covalent bond, depending on some force of attraction between the covalent molecule, the covalent bond may be weaker or stronger. For that, what are the examples we can say is oxygen gas, water liquid, diamond solid. So, covalent compound will exist at gaseous, liquid or solid state. In the three states also, covalent gas will exist. Covalent compound will exist. Next is electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is covalent compounds do not contain charged particles, that is ions. So they are bad conductors of electricity. Covalent compounds do not have charged particles, that is ions, which is not having positive and negative charge. So it is the bad conductors of electricity. Next is melting point. Except few covalent compounds, that is diamond, silicon and carbide, they have relatively low melting points compared to ionic compounds. Ionic compounds have high melting. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point. But comparing to ionic compound, covalent compounds are having only low melting points. Except few covalent compounds. What are the covalent compound means? Diamond, silicon and carbide. Except all these compounds, they have relatively low melting points. Next is solubility. Covalent compounds are readily soluble in nonpolar solvents like benzene, carbon tetrachloride. They are insoluble in polar solvents like water. Ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvents and insoluble in non-polar solvents. But covalent compounds are readily soluble in non-polar solvents and it is insoluble in polar solvents. Non-polar solvent like benzene and carbon tetrachloride. So covalent compounds are readily soluble in non-polar solvent and it is insoluble in polar solvents. For polar solvents, example is water. Next is hardness and brittleness. Covalent compounds are neither hard nor brittle, but they are soft and waxy. But in ionic compounds, they have density and they are quite hard. So they are highly brittle. But covalent compounds is neither hard nor brittle. So they are soft and waxy. Next one is reactions. Covalent compounds undergo molecular reaction in solutions and these reactions are slow. Comparing to ionic compounds undergo ionic reactions which are practically rapid and instantaneous. Already I have said that instantaneous means sudden. Sudden practically it is changing the reaction. But covalent compounds undergo molecular reaction in solutions and these reactions are very slow.